Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Ron's Rides, and in front of me you're seeing a 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia Ti Sport with a roof rack. But this is actually a used vehicle. This is a trade-in. A customer traded this in the other day because they needed a truck. They actually traded this Giulia in for a truck. They needed it for their business, and they only put 5,000 miles on this car. But the best part is they put a roof rack on it, and it's an Alfa Romeo roof rack at that. I have yet to see one in person, let alone see one on a Giulia. Now, the first thing you would think is, oh yeah, on a Stelvio, because you're gonna be using that car for that kind of thing. But on the actual sedan instead of the SUV, you're seeing the roof rack, and it caught me off guard because I didn't even realize that we had this here until, because I was gone yesterday. So I came in today and I'm just walking around on the back part of the lot, and here this is waiting to be inspected with this roof rack on the top, and I'm like, what is this thing? That's exactly what it is. Like I said, this only has 5,000 miles on the clock. So this is gonna be our used unit for the lot, which is gonna be crazy because this is barely used, and now we're gonna have it to sell, and it looks phenomenal. Okay, the 19-inch wheels with the black calipers, all right, the Alpha black paint with the tinted windows, even has the top part of the window tinted. With it being the Sport, you have the much aggressive diffuser right here in the rear. If you step inside, it is the tan interior with the Sport seats. So you do have the Sport seats with tan interior. Like I said, I mean, this is practically new. You do jump inside and get that flat bottom steering wheel there with the big paddle shifters and aluminum pedals down there at the bottom. There you have it, 5,516 miles. It's cool to get a unit that is actually this newly used, and I say newly used because it hasn't even been used a year. You know, most models you'll get in at least have 10,000 miles, 12,000 miles for the year before they get traded in. This has half that, you know, and you have cool stuff on it like the extended leather package on the door. You'll see the leather up top with the contrasted stitching. You'll see the aluminum Sport trim. You'll see that extended leather package carry on to the top of the dash here with the contrasted stitching as well. Aluminum Sport trim. I mean, the color combos and everything is great in this. They did a really good job on this spec. Now, I'm not mad at this roof rail look. It might not be for everybody, but it is there for a reason. It is there to function. So I'm curious on what you guys would think about putting a roof rail on your Giulia if you haven't already. This is definitely something that is a first for me. I don't even think I've seen it on a Stelvio. I'm trying to think of any kind of instances I would have seen it where a customer would have come in and brought their car in for service and they had a roof rack. But I don't even think I've seen that because we just started to get accessories for the Stelvio. So with this said, I mean, this is an Alfa Romeo product. I'm wondering if they got this for the Stelvio, but it's interchangeable for the Giulia. And like I said, it's an Alfa Romeo product, so you can see right here, it says Alfa Romeo there. It is actually our roof rails to fit the car. Now you can see that right here, it goes in between the window seal here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to fit that way or what way it's supposed to go, but I can imagine this is how they wanted it installed. It looks like there's protected over here for going over the paint, so you can kind of see that film. So if you open up the door here, you'll see right where it goes, it's tucked underneath here, right under the window and screwed in. So that's where you're getting the bend in the trim there. It's not hurting it. Nothing that's going to damage the trim, but that's where you're seeing it there because this is kind of folding underneath. But you can see how it's attached. Doesn't look like it's too hard. So you just have to have your protectant for your paint there so it doesn't get scratched. And then you were to bolt one side on and bolt the other side on. I'm not sure if you put these together as far as how they come assembled out of the box, but this is just very new to me. So you guys would know more if you have already seen these before or you've looked into them or inquired on them. You would already know about these. I'm just new to this and I had to put it on camera just in case you guys have not seen a Giulia with a roof rack, let alone the roof rack for Alfa Romeo as well. It's pretty nifty, it looks good, it looks sporty, definitely adds a little bit more flavor to the vehicle, but it's not for everybody. So down in the comments below, you guys let me know, Are you digging the roof rail for the Alfa Romeo Giulia? And if so, would you get one for your Giulia or your Stelvio? Or is it cool but not for you? I'm definitely interested in what you guys thinking. Now, this car has to go through inspection, so it's not on the lot yet, but it will be as a used unit. I'll let you guys know when we gather the price for it specifically after we put it through all of its inspections and get it back on the lot. But it's probably gonna go for a good price. I mean, only 5,000 miles on this thing, and it's pretty pristine. I mean, this is practically a brand new car. So if you guys are looking for this car, definitely check the number down below. Let me know. Check the landing page that goes right to my website page, and it does the specials for the cars. It gives you numbers and contact information, all that kind of stuff about our inventory. Check that out. That's in the description, but also check the number out and let me know if you guys are interested in a used Alfa Romeo Giulia Ti Sport, hopefully with the roof rack on it. I don't think we're taking it off, hopefully. But with that said, guys, check out the Patreon down there. Check out the social media links. Check out the affiliate marketing. I got some products in there for you guys. And with that, guys, this has been a good one. You guys comment down below. What do you think about this roof rack? I'm digging it. But with that said, you guys be easy. We'll see you in the next video. Be blessed. Subscribe for more Maserati Alfa Romeo content, and like this video. Get it up in the rankings for your boy. I appreciate you. Take care. Peace.